As the country celebrates its 62 years of independence, 150 outstanding citizens are being given national honors and awards. This includes Deputy CEO of the RJRGLEANER Communications Group, Dr. Claire Grant, and board member Minna Israel. Halshane Burke reports.
Among the honorees is athlete Hansel Parchment, who is currently representing Jamaica at the Paris 2024 Olympics. He is being awarded membership in the Order of Distinction in the rank of Commander for his exceptional achievements in athletics. Music legends Moses Beanman Davis and Rodney Bounty Killer Price are being honored for their significant contribution to the development of Jamaican music, particularly dancehall, and will be presented with the Order of Distinction in the rank of Officer. Reggae and dancehall artist Nadine Sutherland and Dr. Claire Grant, Deputy CEO of the RJRGLEANER Communications Group, are also being recognized in this category for their service in journalism, media and communications. Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of National Security Dr. Horace Chang and Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett are among 8 Jamaicans receiving membership in the Order of Jamaica, the nation's 4th highest national honor, for their outstanding contributions to public service and politics. Other notable recipients include Jamaica's ambassador to the United States, Audrey Marks, Professor Wendell Abel, philanthropist and businessman Gary Butch Hendrickson, businessman William Shaguri, Littleton Tanny Shirley, and business executive Senator Don Webby. Meanwhile, 30 individuals have been awarded membership in the Order of Distinction in the rank of Commander, including Supreme Court Justice David Batts for his significant contribution and impact on the judiciary, and Police Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake for his exceptional service to national security and public safety. Also in this category are Minna Israel, RJRGLEANER Communications Group board member and former banker, for her services to the banking sector, educational development and public service. Dunstan Brown, Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Health and Wellness, Professor Andrew Spencer, President of the Caribbean Maritime University, and Reverend Gary Harriott. Additionally, 35 individuals have received the Badge of Honor for meritorious service, while 36 have been awarded the Badge of Honor for long and faithful service, acknowledging their dedication and commitment to their respective fields. Halshane Burke, TVJ News.